Nothing Phone 3. What's up, guys? Welcome to the Honest Take Review channel. And Nothing has finally done it. They have brought the craziest specs on paper for 2025 with their new phone, the Nothing Phone 3. As we know, they are known for making unique phones with a crazy design and stand out from the crowd. But this time around, they have taken it to next level. They have managed to bring the most insane specs on paper for 2025 at such a competitive price. Before moving forward, do subscribe to the channel to get all the updates about this phone. So first of all, let me tell you that this is not your usual Nothing phone. This is actually a proper flagship phone from Nothing. The Nothing Phone 3 comes with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, rocking that 3.36 GHz speed. It's actually the second fastest chipset in the world right now, only behind the A16 Bionic of the iPhone 14 Pro Max. And when it comes to GPU, it's even better than the custom 8 Gen 2 of Samsung. It's just behind the Apple M1 chip. That means, on paper, the Nothing Phone 3 has the potential to be the most powerful Android phone of 2025. On top of that, we have 12 gigs of LPDDR5X RAM, which, by the way, is the latest type of RAM for 2025. And it also comes with a UFS 4.0 storage. This phone is built very sturdily. We have Gorilla Glass 5 on the back, matte finish, and the whole design is looking very premium. On top of all these flagship specs, we have a very big 5000 mAh battery with 45-watt fast charging. And guys, I need to talk about this display because this is one of the best displays that we have seen on any phone in recent times. This is a 6.8-inch QHD plus 120Hz AMOLED panel with a peak brightness of 1600 nits. It's an LTPO panel as well. That means it can go from 1 to 120 Hz. The display is flat and the bezels are extremely thin. It's one of the best looking displays on any phone right now. When it comes to cameras, we have a 50-megapixel main sensor, 16-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens, and a 16-megapixel telephoto lens. The sensors are actually Sony sensors. We have IMX890 as the main sensor and IMX386. Nothing has introduced a brand new camera UI, which looks very similar to what we have seen on Google's latest Pixel phones. We have some more information regarding the cameras. The main sensor is actually a 1/1.56-inch sensor size, so bigger sensor size, faster aperture, 4K 120 fps video recording, 8K 30 fps video recording, along with 4500 nits of dynamic range. The front display is looking very promising as well. We have a punch hole setup and the selfie camera is under the display. We don't know about the specs of the selfie camera just yet, but we'll make sure to update you guys soon. Now when it comes to the pricing, it's going to start from €500 for the base variant, which is pretty impressive considering the specs that we are getting. There will be higher variants as well depending on the storage option you choose. The launch date is rumored around 1st July 2025. So guys, this is the Nothing Phone 3 with the most insane specs on paper for 2025 at a very, very competitive price. Let me know what you think about this in the comments section below. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks.